Emtee wants to remove the Mercedes-Benz tattoo. Despite the pain of removing a tattoo, rapper Emtee wants to get rid of the Mercedes-Benz logo on his neck, because he doesn't drive one anymore. The roll-up star took to Twitter recently to ask his fans how he could get his tat removed. "How do I remove a tattoo? I wanna remove this Mercedes tattoo, because I thought I owned 2 Mercedes-Benz." Fans told him not to remove it, because he will bounce back and buy the car again. He thanked his fans for always motivating him. In an interview with Live last year, Emtee confirmed that he no longer had the cars in his garage and was moving between different houses to make ends meet. He denied that his former label had repossessed the car and said it was a matter between him and his agents. "Ambitious Entertainment didn't repossess my house and cars. I don't have it anymore. They helped me get it, but it wasn't part of the contract. It was simply that I had problems with the maintenance, and it is a matter between myself and the agents." Quote.
Yeah.